Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy McFinance, and welcome to yet again another weekly market overview. And if it's your first time on this channel, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell, man. So today we're not gonna waste any time, just gonna get through, and yeah, we're just gonna go straight to the point, and we're gonna analyze the market. So as you can see, guys, here I have NASDAQ with me. I'm gonna start on the weekly time frame. Okay, so on the weekly, guys, you can see we always have the same thing, but we need to always analyze and we need to always be updated on what's happening on the weekly time frame. So you can see that we have this chart right here. This trend line. So you have the first touch, second touch, third touch, market broke, impulse correction, impulse correction. So now we're expecting another impulse to the upside. Okay, clean. So now what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily, I'm seeing this pattern right here. Okay, this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, right? And then this is also like, can be seen as a double bottom because it came for the first peak, then the second peak, then now we're going all the way to the upside. Okay, and then now I'm seeing another pattern another trend line right here, over there. First touch, second touch, third touch, looking to make the fourth touch and break the structure and go all the way to the upside, right? This is very clean, guys. Okay, now we're gonna go over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we can see that we had a pattern before, which was in this type of formation. Okay, so we had our first touch right here, second touch, then the market broke, retested the first time, retested the second time, then the market bought, gave us a young correction pattern, and now we bought. And then now what I'm expecting is we can have something like this, young correction or continuation pattern, and then we go all the way to the upside, and then we have a young pattern just like this one, just like that and like that, and then continue to go to the upside. So this is what we can expect on NASDAQ. And yeah, this was easy and simple to analyze, nothing complicated, just straightforward. So we're gonna go to US30 and see what US30 is giving us. So we're gonna start firstly on the daily time frame, actually on the weekly. Okay, on the weekly, guys, you can see that we had a pattern just like this one, almost similar to the NASDAQ pattern, but this one had multiple retests, right? So first touch, second touch, market broke, came for the first retest, second retest, then the market started going up. Okay, so, and another thing, guys, this is a very sensitive level over here, right? So the market came here, bounced and went up, came back again. So now we might see another bounce to go to the upside, right? Something like this. Let me just do this. Yeah, something like that. Just a bounce and then go to the upside. Then our 90% rule around this area right there. And yeah, we might be looking for buys on US30, but we're gonna go over to the daily time frame. Okay, so onto the daily, I can see that actually, yeah, I'm just gonna keep on identifying this level right here. So I can see that we have a young pattern right here, and then we have another one like that. Okay, so whereas we have right here our first touch, second touch, right? Over here we have a first touch, second touch, looking to make the third touch and break all the way to the upside to our 90% rule, right? Our 90% rule is around this area. Boom, clean. So now we're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame and see the market a bit more clearly. Okay, clean. Let me just do that. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, guys, if I can zoom in, I'm seeing that we have a pattern right here. Boom. Right there. Okay, so what actually happened is that we have our first touch, second touch, then the market broke. So now we might be expecting either a retest over on this level, then we go up, or we can expect something that we are also anticipating on NASDAQ, like an impulse, then a continuation pattern, something like this, and then go all the way to the upside. Then we have a young trend line like that, and then another one like this. Then we can take our bias to go all the way to the upside, right? Something like that. Stop loss below there, and then I'll take profit all the way to the 90% rule. So this is what we might expect on US30. Okay, this is very clean, nothing complicated, it's just straightforward. Okay, moving over to gold, guys. So on gold, I'm gonna start on the daily time frame. Okay guys, so the reason why I'm starting on the daily time frame on gold is that on the daily time frame it's much more cleaner, right? So I can see that we have a very sensitive level around this area. Came on this level, bounced back, went to the upside. Now we came back again, so now we're looking to bounce back and go all the way to the upside. Okay, and then we're going to identify our patterns, right? I see that we have a young, beautiful pattern around this area, and then we have another one over here, just like that. Okay, so basically this is the first touch, second touch, fourth touch, fifth touch. So this is a very, very, very sensitive level. Then over here we have our first touch, second touch, then now we're looking to make a third touch and break all the way to the upside. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to a lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour, you can see that around this area we had a lot of rejections, guys. So we had multiple rejections, and then the market started buying, right? So also right here we have this pattern over here, right? If you can look closely, I'll just zoom in, do something like this. Okay, so if you can look at it closely, guys, we had the first touch, second touch, then the market broke, retested our level right here, and also retested our structure or trend line here, and retested this trend line right here. So this is a triple confirmation, so this is a valid buy setup. So now on gold, what we can look for is something like this. It's either a buy, then a retest over here, then go to the upside, or we can have an impulse a little bit and then have our continuation structure as always, and then go to the upside, right? So this is also like a simple trade idea, nothing complicated. But if you did enjoy this video and gain value, and if it's your first time on this channel, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. As always, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.